Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English vocabulary. Beginner level quiz. When you recall something, you forget it, remember it, eat it. When you recall something, you remember it. If something is possible, it cannot happen, might happen, happened in the past. If something is possible, it might happen. A question is something you answer, ignore, forget. A question is something you answer. If you are excited, you are bored, looking forward to something, scared. If you are excited, you are looking forward to something. Yesterday refers to the day before today, the day after today, next weekend. Yesterday refers to the day before today. To improve means to make worse, make better, destroy. To improve means to make better. If you are lost, you know where you are. Cannot find your way, are at home. If you are lost, you cannot find your way. A promise is a lie, a guarantee, a joke. A promise is a guarantee. If you refuse something, you accept it, want it, say no to it. If you refuse something, you say no to it. Early is the opposite of on time. Late, now. Early is the opposite of late. To discuss means to argue, talk about, whisper. To discuss means to talk about. If you are bored, you are very interested, have nothing to do, are very busy. If you are bored, you have nothing to do. A mistake is something that is done correctly, wrong, intentional. A mistake is something that is wrong. Beautiful is similar in meaning to ugly, pretty, scary. Beautiful is similar in meaning to pretty. If you agree with someone, you have the same opinion. Fight with them. Ignore them. If you agree with someone, you have the same opinion. To cook means to prepare food, buy food, sell food. To cook means to prepare food. A gift is something that is stolen, bought, given. A gift is something that is given. If you are confident, you are unsure. Believe in yourself. Are afraid. If you are confident, you believe in yourself. Quickly is the opposite of slowly, fast, carefully. Quickly is the opposite of slowly. A joke is something that is serious, funny, sad. A joke is something that is funny.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.